Suzy Valentin Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty, bringing you another California house tour. Please come join my husband Alex Valentin and I as we tour these new houses for sale in California. Today, we're in Colton, California, which is part of San Bernardino County. The home builder of this beautiful house is Frontier Communities, located in the Wildrose HOA. We will be viewing the Residence 4 model home, which has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a loft, which could be an optional 5th bedroom. The living room is bright and airy with windows that allow the light to shine through. Besides the kitchen is a laundry room with washer-dryer hookups. This newly built California home measures 2,265 square feet, has a 2-car garage, an open floor plan, and is showcased with optional builder upgrades. It joins the beautiful dining room and opens up to the modern kitchen. The beautiful kitchen features sleek countertops, plenty of cabinets, and appliances such as a gas range, microwave, and dishwasher. It also has a walk-in pantry. The kitchen center island has a large single basin with a breakfast bar for casual dining. There's a sliding glass door for easy access to the backyard, which is conveniently off to the side of the dining area, so you can entertain your guests for all your parties and barbecues. It would be a cozy spot to sit, relax, and enjoy our beautiful Southern California weather too. The downstairs also has a large full bathroom with toilet, sink, and shower and bath, which is also connected to the downstairs bedroom. The downstairs first bedroom is roomy and has a view to the front yard and a closet. This home also has central heating and air conditioning with a digital programmable thermostat. The front yard landscaping is maintained by the HOA, and the home has a concealed fire sprinkler system and a whole house fan. There's an upstairs loft, perfect for a secondary family room or optional 5th bedroom builder upgrade. The master bedroom suite is beautiful and includes lots of windows and an attached ensuite bathroom. The master bedroom has a very roomy walk-in master closet. The elegant master bathroom has a soaking tub and a shower, dual sinks, a private toilet area, and another walk-in closet. If you want to see more videos like this, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The 3rd bedroom features carpet, windows, and a closet. The fourth bedroom features carpet, a window, and a closet as well. The guest bathroom has dual sinks with cabinets, a window, and a private toilet area with a full-size bathtub and shower. The home also includes green features such as dual glazed windows with low E glass, water-saving plumbing fixtures, and a tankless water heater. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's meet Alex and view the Wildrose HOA community pool. The pool area features a barbecue, tables, patio chairs, and chase lounges for you to enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom home in Colton, California or surrounding areas, or you would like additional information on this home, please contact me. I would be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.